In this video, I will show you how you can connect your AirPods to any Samsung device. Now for this video, I'm using a Samsung tablet to record this video, but the process is the same even if you use a Samsung phone. Now first of all, on your Samsung device, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Connections. From here, just tap on Bluetooth, and make sure to enable the toggle for Bluetooth. After you turn on Bluetooth, now from here, just make sure that you have enough charge in your AirPods. If you do not have charge in your AirPods, just plug them into charge. Now after you've done that, now just open the lid of your AirPods. Now just double tap on this LED until it starts blinking white. And once it starts blinking, then this means that your AirPods have entered into pairing mode. Now on your Samsung phone, just tap on Scan and you will find the name of your AirPods on the screen. Now just tap on it and select Pair. And after you do that, you will pair your AirPods with your Samsung device. Just like that. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.